thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to achieve this gorgeous salon blow dried hair. I love the results so much, and this is a way that I commonly fix my hair, so I wanted to share with you guys. I have teamed up with T3 for this video, and I hope that you enjoy it. Here we go. I'm gonna give myself a blowout today using the T3 paddle brush. I use this guy a lot, so it definitely has a little bit of hair in it. I took some out. Things I also love about the paddle brush is it is really good for damp hair and for helping dry it. It's smooth on the surface. The bristles feel really soft, and it also detangles your hair really well for a smooth surface. It is just really good for blow drying your hair, and it's an awesome brush all around, to be honest. I am also using the T3 Cura LUXE. This baby is amazing, and I really love that it dries my hair super fast, and it is just a really awesome hair dryer. It has so many settings that I'm going to get into in a minute, but these comboed together just really helps really quickly blow dry my hair and be as efficient and fast as possible, but still give me amazing results. So the Cura LUXE has 5 different heat settings to control air and dry your hair quickly, but still giving you really awesome shine. Okay, something else that comes with the T3 are these concentrators. This one is what I'm going to use now to actually dry my hair. It's a little bit bigger, and it's really helping you utilize that quick blow dry. And then this is a smaller one, and you can use this one to really get like a really sleek blowout. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to attach this guy, and then I'm just going to blow dry this out. On the highest. Okay, almost done. Okay, so here is my hair quickly blow dried. I'm gonna do a little blowout now, but it looks really great. It's super shiny. So something I really love about this blow dryer is I just set it down, and it has an auto sensor to pause the blow dryer. So right now, because it's set down, it's paused, but when I pick it up, and then when I set it down, it pauses. It's so cool. That's like one of my favorite things about this dryer. So it also even has like just so many settings on here. You can control the temperature. You can also control the temperature here. It's just so amazing. There's so many things that you can customize it, which I really love. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow out my hair. It's already almost there, so I'm just gonna really lock in that volume. I'm gonna use the T3 round brush in the 3-inch, and I love it so much. It gives me like big volume in a good way, and then with the Cura LUXE. So I'm gonna do the same thing and just take my hair up a little bit. Before we do that, we are going to take off this concentrator. Now I'm taking this smaller concentrate, and I am going to lock it in, and we're ready to go. Okay, so here are the final results after blowing out my hair. I have no oil in my hair, no hairspray, nothing like that. And as you can see, my hair is just like crazy shiny. I have a pretty like wavy curly hair texture, so the fact that I'm able to see such sleek results with a dryer is very big for me. But I love the way it turns out. I can't stop touching it. What I really love about this Cura LUXE too is that it's beautiful. Like, I don't mind having it out on my bathroom counter because it just looks stunning. I feel like people honestly sometimes ask me about it because it is so pretty, and if it is as amazing as it looks, and it really is, it's awesome. It just has such a clean and elegant design that it's the prettiest blow dryer I've ever seen. I love it so much. But here are the final results. I really feel like I look like I just left the salon. Like, I honestly, before having this blow dryer, this is so true, I never really blow dried my hair, and I didn't realize that I could get my hair to look as good as it does at the salon. So every time I do it, it's just like crazy to me that I can do this myself. Just to remind you again, the products I used in this video is the T3 Cura LUXE, my baby, and then they have the two different adapters. This one is for blow drying, this one is kind of for the more of a blowout sleek look. And then I used the T3 paddle brush, which is awesome, and I also used the T3 round brush, 3 inches. Hair throw moment so you guys can really see this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys soon, and let me know what else you want to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!